Is Microfocus crashing because of the ACUUtils Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. To start fixing ACUUtils library manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the ACUUtils library, a specialized utility library associated with ACUCOBOL-GT. It provides localized unmanaged C routines for localized data file handling and localized character set mapping for COBOL-based enterprise applications running on modern Windows kernels. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Acuutils is required for Microfocus to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Microfocus will repair missing or broken application files. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including ACUUtils library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for ACUUtils Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for ACUUtils library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching ACUUtils library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.